In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to properly share audio in Microsoft Teams meetings from your browser. This guide is perfect if you're looking to enhance your virtual meeting experience by ensuring that everyone can hear the audio you're sharing clearly and without any hitches. So without further ado, let's dive right into it. First, you're going to need to head over to the Microsoft Teams website. Once you're there, locate the sign in button and click it. You'll then be prompted to enter your login details, typically your email and password. After logging in, you'll find yourself on the homepage of Teams, which should look familiar if you've used it before. Now that you're logged in, the next step is to start your meeting. Look for the button that says Start Meeting and click on it. This will open up a new meeting space where you can connect with your team. At this point, you can invite participants and ensure that everything is set up to begin your meeting. Once your meeting is underway and you're ready to share your screen and audio, you'll need to locate the Share button in the Teams interface. It's usually represented by an up arrow icon. Click on it to open up a menu with sharing options. After clicking Share, you'll be given multiple options for sharing your content. At this stage, you'll want to select from either sharing your entire screen, a specific window, or a tab within your browser. If you're focusing on a particular presentation or video on a specific tab, selecting the appropriate option here is crucial for an optimal sharing experience. Now here's the crucial part. When you choose to share a tab, you'll often notice a checkbox option that says Share Tab Audio. Make sure this checkbox is ticked. This step is incredibly important for ensuring that any audio playing from the tab is shared with everyone in the meeting. It's a small box, but checking it will make a world of difference, especially if you're sharing a video or a presentation that includes sound. By following these steps, you'll be able to share audio seamlessly in your Microsoft Teams meetings using your browser. This way, everyone present can enjoy or review any video content or audio files you wish to present. Just remember, sharing audio effectively not only enhances the meeting experience, but also ensures that your ideas and information are communicated to your team just as you intended. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and I hope you found it helpful. Be sure to subscribe for more tips and feel confident in your next Microsoft Teams meeting. Until next time, take care.